In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure QuickBooks with password protection. By the end, you'll have a simple safeguard in place that helps prevent accidental or unauthorized changes to finalized financial periods, so your reports stay consistent and audit-ready. First, go to QuickBooks in your browser. Once you're in your company file, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon. That's your settings menu, and it's where most company-level preferences live. Click the gear icon to open settings. From there, select Account and Settings. This is the main control center for your company preferences. You'll see sections down the left side for things like company, billing, and more. We're going to make a quick change in the accounting area that adds an important layer of protection. Click Advanced. The Advanced tab includes core accounting controls, and it's the right place to lock down prior periods once you're done with them. This helps keep your profit and loss, balance sheet, and other reports from shifting after you've reviewed or shared them. Now turn on Close the Books. Enabling this tells QuickBooks to treat past periods as finalized, which reduces the risk of someone accidentally editing a transaction that affects historical totals. Think of it like snapping a lid on your finished accounting work so it doesn't spill. Next, choose Allow Changes after viewing a warning and entering password. This is the key setting for password protection. With this selected, if anyone tries to change a transaction in a closed period, they'll see a warning and be prompted for the password. It's a smart balance. You're not completely blocking edits if a correction is truly needed, but you are requiring deliberate approval. Enter your password, then save. Pick a strong, unique password that isn't used elsewhere and store it securely in a trusted password manager. Limit who knows this password to only those who should authorize changes to closed periods, such as an accountant or a designated admin. After you save, your change is active right away. From this point on, your closed periods are protected. If a user attempts to modify a transaction from that time frame, they'll get a clear warning and won't be able to proceed without the password. This simple safeguard can save hours of troubleshooting and helps maintain clean, dependable books. As your business progresses, remember that closing the books is typically part of your month-end or year-end routine, so keep this setting in mind as you finalize each period. That's it. Your QuickBooks file now has an extra layer of password protection where it matters most.